Good afternoon, my bonny lads and lasses, and whatever else you want to call yourself. I am here to do something that's just landed on my desk. I am about to do an unboxing. Yes, an unboxing. I don't do very many unboxings. And it's a new product from Rix. It's called Titan T6. It is a thermal monocular, and we're going to have a look at it. We're going to do a review on it, and we're going to send it back to Rix, because to bear in mind, this is just pretty much on loan for a couple of weeks. I don't know, I think I've got it on for 2 or 3 weeks. Anywho, let's get cracking into seeing what this nice shiny box is like. So here we have it. We've got nice shiny, still in its cellophane box. Now, do you know the weird thing is I keep doing these, well, I don't keep doing these, I don't do a lot of them. How the hell am I going to open this without damaging the box? There's no lines, there's no gaps. Found a bit I could do this. Just to get my nail under. So, yeah, that piece of pleasure bit coming out of it. This is this is a Rix Titan Thermal Monocular, Titan T6. So I am presuming it's a 640. Haven't really looked at the specs of it. Haven't looked anything online or anything about it. Didn't even know it was coming. I kind of got told it was coming, but I didn't expect it. And we're back to this sugar and shake. Come on, get out. Get out. Get out. Yeah, back to the sugar and shake to get the box out. So, there it is. What we got on the outside of the box. We have some serial numbers. Nothing really much telling us what it's all about. So like always, good quality box. Yeah, so let's just put that there so you just kind of see it. Move my crap out the way. Right, instruction manual, laser statement, because it's got a laser rangefinder on it. Let's see what's in the box. We've got a couple of batteries, which is cool. Ow. And a little box here. Nice little boxes. This looks like some sort of pouch. Yeah, this is a carry pouch with something in it. Something in it, laddies and lassies. Oh, a little lanyard. How cool is that? It comes with a lanyard. I like that actually, it's really cool. So we've got carry pouch, quite a good quality carry pouch, storage pouch, lanyard. And we have a cleaning cloth. So that's what was in that box. And I presume this will be the charger. I'm not really bothered about charger if it is. Yeah, it's a charger. I'm not really bothered about charger. Chargers are pretty standard at the moment, so it's a double charger, so you can charge up these batteries. And then we have the unit itself. So let's have a look at this unit and look at everything that comes in the box. So we've got the charger, we got a cleaning cloth, we have a couple of boxes, we've got the lanyard, and we have spare batteries. Now, as I said, I haven't really looked at this. Unit. It's a fair chunky unit. It's got a bit of size to it. Built-in laser rangefinder there. Presume that will be the zoom or scroll wheel, power button, and your major functions buttons. The eye cup pretty much comes. That will be focus. One of these will be the focus actually, and that will be diopter focus. It's not heavy. It's not super heavy. It's not uncomfortably heavy. Ergonomically, I think it suits both. That's the battery compartment. I think it suits both left and right-handed, which is good because I'm left-eye dominant. It's quite a robust battery compartment. I'll have to... So quite a robust battery compartment. Eye cup. Do you know what? I don't think that's going to fall off. I think that's going to be quite a good eye cup, that. We'll just have a look. First impressions are really actually quite good. USB. And it has a mounting for to go onto a tripod or something, which is actually quite good as well, and it's quite far forward, so I suppose that's to allow for the battery compartment. I don't know what kind of... So it takes the 18650 batteries, flat top, but these are not quite flat top. These are slightly longer than your standard flat top battery. So I would go for a button top 18650 if you are going to use your own. That's just experience with the Rix batteries, because obviously I've reviewed a couple of products for them so far. Kind of know, and it seems it only takes one, which is fine. It is robust, as I said, very ergonomic. Let's turn it on and see if anything happens. Might have to charge up the batteries. So it does turn on. The eye cup's quite nice. It's ergonomic. It's ambidextrous as well. Taking a couple of minutes to go through it. I'll have to go through all the settings and stuff like that. So we have a few functions on this. So this is your power button here. I haven't looked at any of the literature on this, but I'm just kind of guessing. That'll be your zoom. So your zoom, just zoom up as much as you can, and then zoom, once you hit the top, it'll go back to base magnification. If you keep pressing that, if you hold down that button, I think that's picture-in-picture mode, going by a lot of the other products that Rix has. One of the things you will have to do with this is if you want to sync the time and date and stuff like that, you have to connect this to the app. So it will connect to the app. Again, I haven't played with it. As you've seen, I've just literally unboxed it. The bottom button here will be here. It is for your record. You tap it for to record function, and if I remember correctly, you hold it in for it to take a picture. Again, very similar to other Rix products. So if you do have a Rix product, don't be afraid of it. It will be very universal according to all of that. This one here has got your laser rangefinder and brightness. So if you tap that on your laser rangefinder, and that's fine. And this one here is to change your palettes. Now, first impression, this is a 640 sensor thermal monocular. I'm going to take it out tonight and have a play with it. It seems quite robust. It's got a bit of a weight to it, but as you see, it comes with a lanyard, so it's going to sit quite nicely wherever you're going to have it. It looks like the lanyard bit is at the bottom here, there. So the eye cup, I'm actually quite happy about the eye cup, because normally we have this little flick to the side and you have to turn it. You're not going to have to touch this. Whether you use your left or your right eye, this is going to be completely ambidextrous. Absolute fantastic, good, heavy coated feel to it, rubber feel to it. It feels very robust. Battery compartment is well sealed by the looks of it as well. It's really hard to get in and out, but as I said, takes the 18650 batteries. You get a couple of them and you get the charger with it. So I am really keen to have a shot of this. The Titan T6 Thermal Monocular from Rix. So there we go. Kind of quick unboxing of that. What I will do is I'm going to take this out in the field tonight. I've got work to do tonight, and we will see how it performs. I'll get some footage in regards to that, but I will be doing a full review on this. We're very, do you know, it's not lightweight, but it's not heavy. I think this is going to be quite comfortable to use for any use. And the price for the T6 is around about £1,600. I know that much. So I need to kind of delve into this a little bit more. It was just a quick unboxing to show you what was in the box. But hey, I will catch you up with a further review on this in the next, give me a week. Give me a week and we'll do a review on this. And I'll let you know how I get on with it. Especially in this heat, it's going to be interesting. Thermal does struggle a little bit in this heat. Anyway, I've got an itchy beard. I'm going to go and get ready for work, and I will catch you in a little bit. Happy hunting, stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.